What's up, guys? We're back with another video. And last video we lost to the Ravens, but somebody had a breakout, which was George Pickens, the wide receiver, and we completed it. So let's see his abilities. No. Rage for it. I think we're gonna need Slot-O-Matic for both of them. Choose stadium. They got to do the Detroit Douglas. Not been a good year. Only won 1 out of 7 games. Marvin Harrison, 9. Yeah, let's go into the game. Becton. I wish they sit down in my room.
Tonight, from Ford Field in Detroit, it's Week 8 of the NFL on EA Sports. It's the Detroit Lions.
Monday night. Yeah, we just
closer toward the midway point of this NFL season, and we're underway on EA Sports.
Fumble!
A loose football, and this is scooped up by the Lions. And his guys are going to get the football at the 28-yard line. On first down, this is McCaffrey.
I'm fine.
And he'll get this one down to about the
Let's
27.
go.
Still 9 yards to go on second down from the 27. Sliding out of the pocket.
Great catch. Are you?
Bringing it in on the crossing route here. And Down inside the 15, shy of the 10. They go play action here on first down.
Hit! Oh!
Zone, but it's incomplete.
Not a great start dropping his first target, but let's face it, it won't be his last chance because he'll get opportunities to make up for that one throughout this game.
What kind of pass is that, Rick, man?
But incomplete. Now they face a 3rd and 10 after back-to-back incompletions. They'll look to throw here. Steps away to his left.
I'm just getting hit.
Probably the wise decision there. No one open. He just throws it away. And that keeps the field goal on the table as it's 4th down.
That's great. Yep.
Rosas' kick is good. And the Lions are going to take a 3-0 lead. Well, they have the great field position to start that opening drive. They only get 3 out of it, but still they get 3. So maybe kind of a win for the offense, Charles, and kind of a win for the defense as well.
Yeah.
I'd say win-win seems to sum the whole thing up because where that ball was placed to start, that's tough on a defense, and they held them to 3. Now, if you're the offense, you're thinking to yourselves, how do we open up the playbook later on in this game and turn this 3 into 6s down the stretch?
We have not seen their offense. Is that? Don't tell me.
Come up 1st and 10 now from the
I was about to say, if that was just Egyptian.
to throw
I'm
is
gonna go
Prescott.
say, hey, bro. Bow! Turner.
A little too good there, and it's 2nd down.
Come on, Turner. You had that. I'm gonna go say, hey, who, front row chicken chew. Let's go to DJ.
Intercepted.
DJ Turner.
Turner who's got it. And the Lions
Let's go.
possession as they've got it at the 42-yard
Hey,
line.
who,
The
bow,
Lions
front
offense
row
ready to
chicken
kick
chew.
off
Bad
the
girl.
next drive. They'll start in excellent field position following the INT. They go
Ankles.
over the middle, and it's
Nice.
complete to start the drive. And they'll work this
Let's
down
go,
to the
man.
40-yard line, tackled there. They'll run with McCaffrey. And he'll
Hey,
work this
bird,
forward
bow.
for about 3. It's 2nd down. 2nd and 7.
Look at like open in the middle.
Again, they run. Again, it's McCaffrey.
Hey, girl, bow, front row chicken chew. A bad girl.
Raiders 31. Here now, 3rd and a yard. McCaffrey running.
Let's go.
And he's going to have the 1st down yardage as he's down at about the 30-yard line. Now they'll switch it up here and look to
Yep,
throw.
no fan.
Open man, that's
Get off of him.
at the tight end. And inside the 20 before he's brought down.
Hey, bruh, bow, front row chicken chew. A bad girl.
In 6. In good position.
Yeah, I
Pressure, and he'll go down back at the 26-yard line.
Enduring.
So that complicates things a bit here. 18 yards
Yep.
to go now on 2nd down.
Oh shoot.
And not much of a hole there as
Two.
he gets it down to about the 24-yard line.
We're good with two, bro.
A long way to go here on 3rd down for the 8th play of the drive. They're going to look to throw. This
Nice.
is the tight end fan.
We gotta run that again.
Tackle made at the 13. He is well short of the
Hey, bruh, bow, front row chicken chew. A bad girl. I just got a 1st down because I'm him.
but he does have 1st down yardage. They're able to keep the drive alive 7 yards that time, and the decision to go for it proves to be a good one. They'll try to run with McCaffrey, and that'll move him a little closer as he takes it from the 7 down to the 4.
Cannot fumble no matter what. Got money on my mind.
Back to throw here.
Luke Musgrave.
The left side, there's the tight end Musgrave.
Big lose. Yeah, we lost one.
Backwards, losing yardage to the 5.
Hey, bruh, bow, front row chicken chew. A black.
3rd and goal. They'll set up the screen to McCaffrey.
Christian McCaffrey.
Christian McCaffrey, his 5th touchdown now on the year. As his
Let's
guys
go,
are
man.
able to extend their lead.
Make it. Let's go.
Tee up and good by Rosas. And the lead grows to 10-0.
Let's go.
That one in the books as a 12-play drive. And it's finished off by a receiving touchdown from Christian McCaffrey. So an early 10-0 lead for him now as they kick it away.
Yo.
And a nice return sets him up pretty good here right at the 30-yard line. The Raider offense set to get this drive started. And Charles, it's kind of gut check time. Look, I know it's early, first quarter, just their second drive of the game, but they've already...
Oh, yeah, he literally tried to hurdle DJ Turner.
The score, you're down double digits. They got to figure out something and
106.
No doubt about it. And when we look at that sideline, I'm sure you're observing.
We definitely got to get Christian McCaffrey more involved next year or starting next week. Whoa.
So to me,
Week 10.
talk about someone stepping up and making a big play. I think it would behoove them if multiple guys step up and make big plays right now.
There he goes, left side. It's a big play there for Vegas. 52 yards.
And normally when you think about huge field flipping plays like this, it's that shifty slot receiver, that burner on the outside. Not here. That's a tight end doing work down the field. Where's the oxygen mask? He's going to need it after that one. A big...
No! Flip!
Dameon Pierce, a 12-yard touchdown grab. And the Raiders have got it back to within a score. Extra point by Ryland, up and good. And that'll cut it to 3 at 10-7. The drive there only spanning 3 plays. And Dameon Pierce capped things off with a touchdown grab. But no run back here. Fair catch, and this will come out to the 25. The Detroit offense ready to begin their drive. In the midst of, well, let's just say a not-so-rosy losing streak. They've got the open week, though, coming up next weekend, so you have to figure this
Nice
is a
catch.
game that they dearly love to have.
Oh, indeed. They have to have this one because that's something positive to take with you when you go away for a few days, and it actually releases your mind.
We had to.
If they lose this one,
Oh my! He caught it, but it's out of
the
bounds.
entire time they're away, and they've got to scramble to get back in sync when they start.
So, man.
And 2nd and 10, he'll look to throw again. Oh, it's a screen
Yep.
pass.
Take it off. Yep.
Good cover defensively as they get to him just beyond the 45 after the juke. And the Raiders call on a nickel set for 3rd down. They'll stick with the passing game as he looks to throw.
Great catch.
In the middle of the field, and he's got a man complete. So here's a 1st and 10 now in Raider territory at the 37-yard line.
Oh, crap. Oh, yo. Yo.
Too tough to hold on to that one. It's 2nd down. He'll look to throw. Got a man right side. It's McCaffrey. And he is going to lose.
Hey, bro, bow. I'm shaking.
But a long way to go on 3rd down.
George flip.
Into a sea of bodies, and it's intercepted. Picked off by Christian Harris.
It's like, bro, how?
Great field position here as this is returned just shy of midfield. That time defensively looked like they showed quite a bit of pressure but backed off, and it proved fruitful. They get the pick.
He went through all of his rules about getting rid of the ball quickly because he read blitz. He saw all those people stacked at the line of scrimmage, and then they fooled him by dropping into coverage. Now he's ready to get rid of the ball fast, but guess what? Too many defenders out there. Exactly as you described, an interception.
Off the play fake, Prescott.
How is he open, man?
And he gets it all the way down inside the 10 and marking it the 5.
Oh, my. Ooh.
They'll run here with Pierce.
No. Oh, my God.
And in for a Raider touchdown. Dameon Pierce.
Oh, why are we stopping that?
Game number 7 on the year. And the Raiders have taken the lead. Extra point by Ryland, up and good. And the lead is now 14-10.
Oh, my God.
So they only needed 3 plays on that drive. And it was
Hey, bow. Front row sticking to a bad girl.
and he'll elect not to run with it. And a fair catch on the kickoff will move the ball to the 25. The Lions offense ready to kick off their next drive. Well, partner, fast forward with me for a second. Remember, next week they have the open week, so they're going to get some extended rest. Does that change how they manage the rest of this one?
I think it does a little bit, but not by too much, because you're right. You get the extra rest, you get a chance to heal up and kind of, do a little bit of a reset for this team. But it's also 7 extra days.
Great catch.
The last time you were on the field. So now, a little more importance on what they're getting done, because they carry it with them for essentially 2 weeks.
Here's a play fake as they set up to throw. That is taken in by the tight end Fan. And he's going to get this down to the 35-yard line. Now on first down, he'll drop to throw it.
Christian McCaffrey, great catch.
And that play went nowhere. Losing yardage. It'll be back at the 36. Second quarter action now from Detroit, and it's the homestanding Lions who have the football. On second down, McCaffrey. Nothing doing. Barely able to muster a yard to hit the 35. The offense on third down tonight, they've hit it 50%, 3 of 6 to this point. This is 3rd and 10. And he'll be stopped short of the first down as they rally to tackle him at about the 28.
No way, man!
And it's incomplete. They cannot convert, and they turn it over. The Lions turned away.
Like, you suck, bro.
And the Raider D, they get the football back. The Las Vegas offense ready to start this next drive.
We own that. How are you not pressing him? He's not.
Confidence is powerful, isn't it? When you scored once, you feel like you can go
Hate
back
this
out there and get it
game,
done
bro.
again. Doesn't matter what the defense throws at them. They feel like they're in a groove right now, and they want to get out
Oh my god.
Groove here this go around. 2 yards.
Like, the defense does way better than me not playing, bro. Like, thank you. I'm just not gonna play defense. Cause like, if I play defense,
Off the play fake, he'll look to throw.
great block.
Dancing to his left. And I think
And
the
he
ball's out.
fumbles, bro. Oh my god, you actually suck. Trick me, bro.
practice all the training.
I'm taking him out. I'm taking him out. No, I'm putting him in league with this, bro. Cause like, Drake May.
And now a first chance for the backup here to throw. And this one is incomplete.
Had an open man that time, but ended up putting a little too much heat on it, don't you think, partner?
Absolutely, just needed a touch more air under it. Instead, he fired an absolute bullet.
Yep.
And he's going to be dropped following a pickup of 7 past the 30 to the 32. They'll come up now 3rd and 3. Now Willis to throw. Able to find the open man. That's complete. And he is going to have a Lions first down as they're able to get the 3rd down conversion. Willis takes it.
And it's just...
The ball is free. And the Raiders pick it up.
Oh my god! Ah!
Return for 6 and a
Oh
Raider
my
touchdown.
gosh, bro. Like, I can't do anything. We're not even gonna win this, bro. I clearly high hopes who got the first score. They scored.
And the lead is up to
Just
18
want freaking
now.
down goddamn hill from there.
So not only the cough up, but then the pickup on the other side, the scoop, and the score the other way. The fumble return for a touchdown. And he'll elect not to run with it. The fair catch will move this out to the 25-yard line.
Shaking.
The Detroit offense ready to begin their drive. And they have the game here followed by the open date on the calendar next weekend. And Charles, this is a crew that you have to think really is relishing the opportunity to be on the couch.
You can't even get your toes in bounds, actually.
But let's face it, partner, they can't get caught looking ahead to that couch time while they're playing this one. They've got to take care of business first.
Out to his left.
Dot.
Oh, he's got a man wide open, complete. First time they've hooked up here. Good for 17 and a first down. Willis now off of play action. Forced out to his left. And the Raiders have got him. It'll be a loss of 7 on the sack, and it brings up second. From the gun, here's Willis.
And oh my.
And that falls to the ground incomplete.
Marvin Harrison, you could have caught that,
A
right?
nice job of bodying him up defensively, and now it brings up third down. Here's Willis now off the play fake. Oh, into a sea of defenders.
Bro, I can't, like, what?
Kendall Fuller, and he's able to get it back here to the 43-yard line. So the ball changing. Two scores down, 3 timeouts left. Still a chance if they can somehow get this one back. And the hands team for the Raiders able to secure it. Fourth quarter, they felt like they needed the football back. Unfortunately, they couldn't get it.
And I know we brought analytics into the game, and someone has said here that the data says that when a team's expecting an onside kick, 80% of the time, the team expecting it,
There he goes, right side. Down the right
Oh my.
sideline. And he will score. Touchdown, Las Vegas. Damian Pierce.
Yeah.
Well, partner, under the lights in primetime, this offense, they gave the nation quite a show, putting up that many points to come away with what will certainly be a memorable win for them.
And Brandon, I think it's as simple as this. Some players, some teams, they're just meant for the big stage. And when they get a chance to play in this type of atmosphere, where all eyes are on them and all the lights are
500
shining
passing
brightly,
yards.
they show up and they show out.
So for the Raiders, the victory moves them to 7-1.
Um, guys, that'll be it for today. See you on the next episode. Peace.